Walking pads like this are great if you want to get a bit more exercise while you're watching TV or a movie, or if you have a standing desk, you can put this under your standing desk and you can actually walk while you work. This walking pad was sent to me so I could make this video. Let me go ahead and walk you through some of the cool things about this. So it does come with a pretty basic remote. One of the nice things about the remote is it has this mode button. So if you have goals in mind, like you want to hit a number of calories or you want to walk for a certain amount of time, you can set that with the mode buttons. So you could turn it on for 30 minutes or so, and then you could turn it on and it will automatically turn off once you have hit your goal. To turn it on, you just press the on button. It has a 3-second countdown and then it will start at its lowest speed, which is half a mile an hour. And you can see I am walking at that speed. It is not very fast. It's very nice and relaxing if that's what you're going for. This also comes with a tool to adjust the belt and some oil. To put the oil on, you kind of just shove it under the belt and you just put a little bit and then it will kind of spread itself out. When I first got this, it wasn't perfectly aligned. Fortunately, it has really good instructions in the manual for how to get the belt perfectly aligned. You just turn it on and you just make small adjustments on either side. I don't know what you can hear now, but it's a very quiet treadmill. The fastest speed on this is 4 miles an hour. So let me go ahead and get up to that speed. So as it gets up to 4 miles an hour, it's a really kind of a brisk walk or almost a jog. Okay, so yeah, so I'm jogging right now and you can hear it's still fairly quiet. This is a nice slow jog pace, almost awkward. I would like to jog a little bit faster than this, but if you walk, you can do some speed walking and it's not that bad. And you can hear I'm starting to get out of breath. It definitely does bring up your heart rate, which is what you're going for. So this is perfect. I've used and looked at a bunch of different walking pads. This is on the less expensive side. So if you're looking for something that's kind of budget, this is a good option. It does have a capacity of about 300 pounds. It's really simple to use. And if you don't have a permanent spot for it, it's also really easy to put away. It's got some wheels on the back so you can kind of wheel it around, tip it up, put it wherever you want to, and it's nice and out of the way. This is a really nice walking pad.